Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are taking a trip to Benihana for an epic hibachi grill experience. If you have never been to hibachi, you are in for a real treat. It's not just about the delicious food, it's about the whole interactive dining show that comes with it. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Hibachi grilling is a Japanese style of cooking where food is cooked on a teppanyaki grill right in front of you. The chef uses a variety of spatulas, knives, and other tools to create a real culinary. And let me tell you, these guys are masters of their craft. Now, the real fun begins. The chef arrives at a grill, all smiles and ready to put on a show. He starts by prepping the ingredients, chopping vegetables with lightning speed, and juggling eggs like a pro. Get ready for some fire. The chef will often create impressive flames with some squirts of sake or cooking oil. It's always a crowd pleaser, and it definitely adds to the excitement. But it's not just about the fire show. The hibachi chef is also a master of entertainment. They will crack jokes, interact with the diners, and even put on some tricks. It's all part of the fun hibachi experience. Finally, the moment we have all been waiting for, the food. The chef cooks our chicken, seafood, and vegetables to perfection on the teppanyaki grill. The sound of sizzling meat and the smell of cooked onions and garlic are enough to make your mouth water. Don't be surprised if you find yourself catching flying shrimp or juggling bean sprouts. It's all part of the Benihana experience.
Mama is for you. Birthday. For you, Mama. Don't break my heart. Take it, break it. Are you ready, sir?
Yep.
Can you open your mouth, sir? Ready? Got it, eh? Got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
You got it! I don't think I'm ready.
Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So was the hibachi grill experience worth it? Absolutely. It's a great way to enjoy a delicious meal, have some laughs, and be entertained. It's perfect for a special occasion or just a fun night out with friends or family. Thanks for joining me on this hibachi grill adventure. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have never been to a hibachi grill before, I highly recommend checking it out. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more fun food adventures. And let me know in the comments below if you have ever been to a hibachi grill and what your experience was like.